just doing a couple warm-up moves out here. But I'll tell you what he really loves to do. He loves to catch these flying discs. So come on, guys, let's cheer him on, because here he goes. Watch him, Ozzy. Yes, a boy. Back row. Nice. Here we go, behind the back row. And he's got the catch. How's he looking so far? All right, we're going to do a couple fancy moves out here. Here we go. Let's get through there, and let's get him in the air a little bit. Ozzy up. Yeah! All the way around. Watch it, partner. Here we go. A couple trick moves. Up and over. Yeah. Nice. Now, sometimes I like to mix it up with a lot of trick throws. Check this one out. Going upside down. Yeah. Sometimes I don't even throw it, guys. I'll kick it to him. Check it out. There it is. Nice. Now, Ozzy, let's show him your style today. You ready? Come on now. Stretch those legs out. He's a little canine athlete after all. Here's one. Beautiful. Two. Up. Yeah. Yeah. That's the boy. Watch it, bud. Watch it. Beautiful. All right, Monty's also a little bit of a dancer. Likes to do some dance moves sometimes. Let's see if we can get him doing it today. Here we go. On two. Here we go. Yeah. Pretty good. You cheated. All right, drop it. Drop that one. Hey. All the way up, silly boy. 2-5. Yeah, that's a boy. All right, little rapid fire while he's up there. Yeah.